Hi friends, welcome to our channel Simple Tricks and Hacks. Friends, in today's video I am going to show you the way how to get smoother skin in less than 4 weeks. Friends, before going to start this video, I am going to say a big thank to all of our subscribers and viewers in our channel. Without you all support, we can't achieve this much of response and this much of viewership subscription into our channel. Thank you so much for all the viewers and subscribers. And also I want to say a request to all the people who are watching this video who are not yet subscribed to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel Simple Tricks and Hacks to really get best tips and useful tips on daily basis. Thank you friends, and let's start the video. For this tip to get very smoother skin in less than just 4 weeks, all we need to have the ingredients: rose water, banana, and curd, fresh curd. First we need to add some amount of curd, and then add banana, add some amount of banana. Now just squash this and make like a paste. And now add some amount of rose water. And now again mix it well. And this is the paste. Friends, you have to apply this on your face. Myself recording this video, so I am unable to show this on my face, but you guys have to apply this on your face. Guys, let's see, I'll show this on my hand, but you guys have to apply this on your face and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can wash off. Apply this on your face and just keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can wash off. Try this, apply this twice in a week, and you'll get results in just 1 month. You'll get very soft and fairer skin eventually. Okay friends, apply this on your face. It is very useful for your health and also your skin. Thanks for watching this video friends. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also please comment on this video. Thank you for watching this video.